Also, if we go to music, just click on that, turn it down, see at the bottom there, if I click on that VW phone, there's a tick next to it. That tick means that any audio that comes off this phone, if that system is set up right, the sound from the phone will play through the speakers. So as I say, I've turned this down, we'll go back to the record, over to the system, then we click media. Media, that's on CD at the moment, so if you click media again, it brings up this other menu, and then you go SD card, auxiliary, MDI, Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. That's showing the record that's playing on here, and if I turn this up now, if I turn that up and then turn this up, it's not turned up because it's one of those stupid clutch systems. So that's it, that's how you play music.